Let's do a channel summary. Which network do you think is this one? Take a guess. It's the Lightning Network. And what can you see here? What is apparent? Well, you have some so-called supernodes, right? You have nodes that are very well connected. They seem to be have to have a high density of connections. And that's interesting because theory and practice actually suggest star-like topologies that they're quite efficient. Okay, but let's look at the summaries. What is the good, the bad, and the ugly of payment channels? Well, the problem in payment channels is that you need to have collateral locked up for each hop, so there's not a very efficient liquidity utilization. One of the advantages of channels, however, is that they're quite decentralized. It's hard to perform censorship. However, like authors have proposed attacks. There are actually a few attacks on payment channels that are possible. But any protocol has some weaknesses, so that's probably normal. There's no direct connection needed between peers, which is an interesting property in decentralized networks. One of the drawbacks of channels is that you need to have an on-chain channel establishment. Right? You need to have this initial on-chain transaction in order to open a channel. And channels are optimistically fast and cheap. So if you just want to perform 2 transactions between 2 people, and these are balanced more or less, then you can keep the channel almost indefinitely open, depending on the state replacement technique you use, and perform a lot of payments.